Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Display section after scrolling down. Now tap on Adaptive Brightness and click on this gray switcher next to it. As you can see, my switcher is green. That means that auto brightness is enabled. In order to disable it, just tap on Now Green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!